I think and the smell of marijuana. And in here, oh my God, the Black and Mild packs that we found in here, it was this high in the corner. Literally this high in the corner. They just piled it, and all of the tobacco they would take out of it. It's only one reason to do that. So she was under the impression they might have been selling stuff, so she said she didn't do anything because she didn't want retaliation. I'm thinking, wow, that's bad, huh? But she said there was traffic always in and out, all hours of the night, and that's normally one thing. But that's where we're at. Oh, well, you know, the pine straw will go all around here. Okay, let me put it to a vote. We're gonna put on pine straw or mulch in the front. We're gonna put a few shrubs here to bring this out. They've all died here. That's the last one. We're gonna take it out. But would you put mulch or would you put pine straw? See, we got yes and a no.
I'm a mulch girl.
I like mulch.
I like mulch too, but if you got pine straw everywhere else, I would just keep it consistent.
See, I think that's mulch over there.
Pine straw. The neighbors have pine straw.
So you go with the pine straw?
Because of neighbors?
I'd go with the mulch. You're going to put pine straw around these trees, right?
All of this, yeah, it'll go all the way around this whole island and fill up.
What's the difference in cost?
None.
There is a difference. Really?
Yeah.
I would have thought pine straw.
Well, when you work with people long enough, you gotta, you know, they charge me, it cost me about $5 or $5.50 a bale spread. That's buying a bale and having him spread it and curling it all the way around. You don't buy it by the bag, you buy it by the yard on the mulch, and it comes out a lot cheaper. And you get a laborer and one wheelbarrow and a shovel, and it's about the same. But any other questions?
Yes. Since I have you here, how do you, what's your benefits or what do you recommend as far as how you get paid?
Cash, no. What do you mean
For
paid?
tax purposes too.
Oh, I'm formed under, I have an LLC, but it's an S corporation for taxation.
Okay. Because I heard like ADP can help with distributing for the labor and the material, and it helps to track all that down for tax purposes.
Right. Well, I separate my materials are always here, and then I'll 1099 my subs, and that's a full.
Okay.
But yeah, if you separate material, I even tell my subs, you know, if you send me a bill for materials, it's different than if you do the labor. Some of them don't get, they're too lazy to do it. They don't want me to know what they're paying for materials. Hey, you pay the taxes.
Okay.
I'm 1099. I only work with people who are licensed, insured, and I can 1099. If you can't fill out a W-9,
Yeah.
adios. I can't.
I did W-9.
Because I had a realtor call me yesterday. He's got a problem with a guy. I used to work for this realtor, but we had a disagreement. Need I say anything else? So he calls me yesterday. He wanted me to go somewhere today and fix something. I said, call your contractor. He said, well, he said he already fixed it. I said, well, did you pay him? He said, no. Well, then tell him you're not going to give him a check.
Right.
But see, the guy's not licensed. Now, the check he got at closing is made out to that contractor, that supposed contractor. He's not really a contractor. It's made out to his name. So it's from the attorney's office. This is the only person that can cash that check. That guy.
That guy.
So he's got to get the guy to fix it, then give him his check. I mean, I didn't see the problem. Just tell him if he doesn't fix it, he doesn't get his check. Now, if he was licensed, you could call the LLR and form a complaint. Because if you have a license, you don't want to lose it.
Right.
So you're going to respond a lot faster. That's another reason I tell people use licensed subs. They want to get on licensed subs, you got nothing to
Fall back on.
Yeah, and I definitely tell people don't pay them till, you know, if it's a big job, pay them in increments.
Increments, phases, and everything.
Yeah, and make sure you don't overpay them because the only incentive they have to come back is to get money. So make sure you know what portion of the job's been completed before you pay them.
Okay.
And this house is going to be pressure washed on the 18th. And you're gonna see a difference when it's pressure washed, even to the gutters and everything.
The brick looks nice though.
Yes, and when he cleans it up, it's gonna look even nicer.
Yeah, this is a nice property.
Yes, if I hadn't just bought a house, I tell you, I would have seriously thought about moving into this one.
Right.
Because the kids are out the house, it's just me and mama, the shopping's right up the street. You see all the stores up there if you go left and right?
Oh
Yeah.
About a half a mile left and right. That's a woman's paradise, you know?
Yeah.
My wife loves some Kohl's. So does my daughter. Oh, Kohl's cash, 30% off, double coupons. And then they do some kind of trick where they charge it on the card, but then they pay it right there. And I was like, y'all are crazy. But
Yeah.
they get stuff for almost nothing. So,
True.
but
Hey, I think you did tell the sheetrock story.
all right, for those of you who've just been given the green light to tell the story of sheetrock. All right, you look like a reasonable person. I'm gonna say that. I come to you and I say, hey, what's your name?
Laura.
Laura. I know you want this flooring put down. I'm going to put down the flooring in the house, but if I put down sheetrock first, it'll be a lot softer to walk on. Would you like that?
Oh, I don't know.
Why wouldn't you? It's going to be softer to walk.
No.
That doesn't sound
Dangerous.
What? You never heard that?
No.
Neither have I, but I know somebody that took it. Bob. Bob tells that story because he's trying to tell people, hey, it's not like I'm a dummy. You know, anybody can be fooled or you know, he trusted the guy. He figured the guy is a floor guy, and if he says that, you know, he's not the expert. Well, neither was that other guy. But, go ahead, Bob.
Actually, that's not the reason I told you. The reason I'm telling you is if a knucklehead like me can do this business and be comfortable doing it, that means you guys can too.
And are you
Exactly.
gonna make mistakes?
That's
Yeah,
my
I
rich
make
dad, y'all.
mistakes. I'll tell you, I make
Bob.
mistakes on every project. I learn something from
Uncle-
I don't call
Uncle
them
Eddie.
mistakes. I learned something. You know what I learned in this house? We walking through it when it's light and I can get into every room. That's what I learned. Because we remember when we came in, it was kind of like, almost like we were cops trying to